Hi guys, welcome back to the channel for another video. Hope you guys are doing really well. So if you have been following me, then you know that I recently got myself a motorcycle and it's from Royal Enfield and it's a Hunter 350. And the delivery experience video is already there in the channel. If you haven't watched it, then you can check it out in the I button here. So today in this video I'll be talking about the accessories that I'll be installing to my motorcycle, because at the time of delivery I didn't install a single accessory to my motorcycle from the showroom because the things were not available according to my choice, and also the things that were available were not like worth the money, because the crash guard that Royal Enfield provides with the 150 is like a big crash guard and it costs more than 3000 rupees. So I don't think it's worth it, and that's why I opted for some other crash guard, and it's from MotoTorque, and yeah, it got some sliders and all. So I wanted some, yes, whatever thing I'm going to install into my motorcycle will be all genuine. And the second thing that I wanted to install was the black engine sum guard, but in the showroom the black engine sum guard was not available, so I had to order it online. And also one more thing, the black engine genuine sum guard is not available in Royal Enfield online store also. I checked it. I don't know if you check, you can order it, but I couldn't order it. It cost like around 3450 rupees. I ordered it from some other website like Sump Motors. So the product link of every single product that I will be showing in this video will be given in the description below. You can check it out. And I think these two products like the crash guard and the sum guard are two of the most important things that you should install in your motorcycle or in your Hunter 350 if you are buying it, because it's been like 5 days I got in my motorcycle, and without the crash guard and the sum guard I am not even willing to ride my motorcycle, because I don't want to take the risk. Even in side stand sometimes the bike tips over and yeah, damages will may come, but hopefully that doesn't ever happen to my motorcycle. So moving forward, let's just not talk much and get carried over with the unboxing. But before I do that, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell notification icon to get notified every single time I upload a new video to this channel. Also, don't forget to like, share and comment. That really helps me a lot. With that said, let's now get started with the unboxing. So the first box that I'll show you today is the genuine Royal Enfield Black engine sum guard, and here is the package. So I got it from sapsapmotors.com, and yeah, the product link will be given in the description below. It costed me 3450 rupees, just like it's shown in the official Royal Enfield website. So in the official Royal Enfield website the product is shown, the price is also shown, but I couldn't order it. I don't know if it's same with you, but if you got new Royal Enfield Hunter 350 and you want to install a black engine sum guard, then I think you should go by this link that is given in the description below. And don't worry, you won't be charged anything extra if you go via this link and buy the black engine sum guard. And also one more thing, with engine sum guard with Royal Enfield, if you are like there are lots of engine sum guards that are available in Flipkart and Amazon, but those engine sum guards are made of like very cheap quality steel material, and once you install it, no doubt it will give protection to the underside of your engine, but a humming noise will come out and the ride will be not very premium. But with the genuine engine sum guard, it's made of aluminum and there are some rubber tapettes where the nuts and bolts are installed into the engine, so the sound doesn't comes out from the like humming noise doesn't come out. So that's the reason you should go for the genuine engine sum guard if you're buying Hunter 350 or even the classic or any other Royal Enfield motorcycle like Meteor 350, Interceptor, anything else. And the second box that I'm going to unbox today is the crash guard that I'm going to install into my Hunter 350. And here is the package, and this one is a heavy one, very heavy, I guess around 5 to 6 kgs. And I got it from MotoTorque and it came directly from Bangalore via DTDC. And this one with shipping costed me 3780 rupees. Without shipping it's around 3600 rupees. So that's the thing. And again, the product link for this also will be given in the description below, and in the photos, like in the official website, like MotoTorque website, the bike was really looking great after installation of this crash guard. I hope it in real life also it looks something like that, but even then, even if it looks great or not, I will see, because after installation I will show you how thing is. So that's the boxes. Let me just unbox the thumb guard first, then I will unbox it, and then yeah, I'll show you what are the box contents. So let's get started with the unboxing. So here is the first package that you can see, and yeah, it's from Royal Enfield, and it's a genuine original thumb guard. As you can see it here, it's written. So the price you can see it's 3,450 rupees written, and that's what I paid, and it's a genuine product because you can see from the tag here. So let me open it and then show you what are the box contents. So here is the thumb guard, and yeah, it's made of aluminum, and obviously Royal Enfield logo is there, matte finish. And this one is, yes, with the finishing that it's given, it's a genuine product, and that's the beauty of genuine product. It's really very heavy also. And there's one more box with some clamps and nuts, I guess. Okay, the box is packet is given actually. So there is this clamp, and there is this another clamp, and here some rubber tape which will be installed into the plate there, and you can see the holes here. So there this rubber tape will be installed, and as a result humming sound will not come when the engine will be started. Also some more studs are there, and yeah, a big nut is there along with a nut bolt is there obviously. And anything else? Yes, a few more Allen nuts are there for like tightening the thumb guard to, or holding the thumb guard to the engine there. And obviously, so this here is the box content of the engine thumb guard, and yeah, it's a genuine product. So that's the beauty of genuine product, all the things are given. So really very happy with this, with my investment. Let's see how it looks when I install it into the bike. So keeping this aside, so now the time has come to unbox the crash guard, and this package is from MotoTorque, as I've already told you. So let me just remove the tips and plastics. You can see 3,780 rupees is there, and again, let's again remove it. Here, as I've already told you, it has been packed so nicely. So finally, like after removing half a dozen of tapes, I am able to open the box, and yeah. So first thing first, there is a paperwork here that shows what are the box contents, or how to install the crash guard, make it into one piece. So that's there. So let me just keep it aside. Then the next thing is a box. I think these are various nuts, bolts and studs that will be like given. Let me first check this box. Yes, so there are various nuts and bolts that are like provided here, and obviously there is some plates here, and also there is a MotoTorque like sticker here that could be installed. So here it is from MotoTorque. So that's in this small box. So let me put this aside again. Let's dig further into the box. So here is some other like part from the crash guard. Then yeah, so okay, this is really very of nice quality. In hand feel is really very good. And yeah, I have to open it again like from the plastic. So the packaging they've done is really very nice, that I have to say. Let me just open it and see. Like, let me show you how these things are. So yeah, it will definitely look good in my motorcycle, that I can feel with the build quality is really very good. The wheels and paint quality is also really very nice. So that's one piece from one side. And then again, let me put this aside, and one more is there. So this is for the other side, I guess. And as I'm not installing it myself, so I only opening this part because I have to again carry it to the mechanic. So yeah, that's other part. And more, there is a long like screw here that will go like from the engine for like joining both side parts. And again, these are the sliders that will be like installed into the sides of the crash guard after like installation is completed. So once the installation of all these things is done into my motorcycle, I'll be showing you how the final result or how my motorcycle looks. So if you're watching the video till now, then I think you have seen me unbox the boxes that I got and also seen its box contents. One thing that I forgot to say earlier is that the crash guard that I ordered from MotoTorque.in, it's called Astra crash guard and it's designed specifically for 100-350. So if you are willing to buy 100-350 and want to go for a different sort of crash guard like premium one, then you can go for this by paying few more bucks when compared to the original Royal Enfield crash guard, because that one, like the big crash guard, is got a very simple design like a band pipe type design, and that one also cost like 3300 rupees. This one will cost you around 3600 rupees and with shipping 150 rupees more. So I think it's worth more than that one because it got sliders and all. And also till now I have not installed it and I'll see how it looks, but even then I hope it will look much better. And yeah, so both the products till now that I've got, that are Sump guard and the Astra crash guard from MotoTorque.in, both the products costing 7,230 rupees, something like that. Now the only thing left is to install both these accessories to my motorcycle, and that I won't be doing it myself. I have to take it to a workshop. So let me just see you at the time of installation, and then I will show you how my motorcycle looks after installation of both the products. So finally the crash guard has been installed to my 100-350. There you can see it from MotoTorque and it's called Astra crash guard, and you can see it here. so sliders are there. And yeah, I installed it in Rajesh Bullet Workshop. Really very great team there. Their experience, shop is very small, but yeah, they have experience in working on bullet for more than 15 years, the owner. And yeah, his like mechanics are also really very good. But even then, if you're thinking of installing this at your home, then don't think that, because it's for them it took like more than 45 minutes for installing both this crash guard and the sump guard. And yeah, one more thing about the sump guard is that it's the genuine Royal Enfield sump guard, as you can see there, Royal Enfield, where it's made from aluminum. And yeah, rubber like pickets or bushings are there here, so no humming sound comes from this. And I recommend you to install the original sump guard from Royal Enfield with your 150, because the aftermarket sump guard doesn't get any rubber pickets. You cannot find it outside also, and humming sound will come after you start your bike or ride your bike. The riding experience becomes really very bad. So that's the thing. In the meantime, I also installed myself this silencer wrap here in the band pipe. It costed me 260 rupees. And yeah, it's made for glass fiber, so you have to use gloves while installing it. I installed it myself. Not very like tough to install. You can do it yourself, and your product link will be given in the description below. Got it from Amazon again, and saying costed me 260 rupees. So that's the thing. And this installation, the crash guard and the sump guard in Rajesh Workshop costed me around 300 rupees. So overall, I paid like around 7,500 rupees for both these accessories with installation. Because you already know the price of this crash guard, and if you don't know, then it costed me 3,780 rupees from with shipping. This sump guard there costed me 3,450 rupees with shipping, and it's the original sump guard from Sump Motors. The product link also for this will be given in description below, as I've already told you. So that's my motorcycle. It looks really nice now for me. I always wanted this crash guard to install to my 150. And okay, one more thing I'll install to my motorcycle is fog lights here with relay, and again brown color seat cover. Also thinking of putting some tire hugger, because it splashes a lot of mud to the back seat there. So that's all the things that I'll be installing like with time. And yeah, that's everything that I want to show in my motorcycle. Hope you are enjoying the video. And again, one more thing I want to say is that if you are from Jorhat, if you are getting new Royal Enfield motorcycle and want to install some aftermarket parts, do visit Rajesh Bullet Workshop. They have a really very experienced team. Like they have experience from more than 15 years, the owner there, and they work specifically on bullets and Royal Enfields. So they have really very nice experience. They mechanics are also really very experienced working on bullets, so they know each and everything how to work on a new Royal Enfield motorcycle. Even if you get a new motorcycle, you can blindly give it to them, and they will take work with really great care. So if you have watched the video till now, then I hope that you have seen everything and got to learn new things. And if you do, and if you enjoyed the video, then don't forget to like, share and comment on it. It really does help me a lot. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell notification icon to get notified every single time I upload a new video to this channel. Also, new videos of our Hunter 350 will be coming very soon, so stay tuned for that. And that's it for today. Bye.